Hello YouTube. Just want to do a quick video just to show anyone who's struggling with getting sound through their Open Broadcaster software, version 0.651B, or OBS for short, as most people call it. Yeah, I did have quite a lot of problems with trying to get the sound to come through my mic, as well as play sound music backgrounds and play my game and play the whole lot. Basically everything I can get in one. Well, I tried all sorts. I tried playing around with all the sound settings, as you can imagine, you know, through the mixer itself. Sorry, wrong bit there. Through the mixer itself, and you're setting up all the different hardware devices. But I tried everything and still couldn't get sound. But it actually came back to the actual OBS software themselves. So if you go into settings, I can tell you exactly where you've got to go. And get this back on. So okay, you click on encoding. So okay, let's go run back through again. You go from your main profile, click on settings, encoding, and see this button here? If that's highlighted, untick it like that and apply. Okay, you may have to shut down and restart again for the changes to take effect, but it normally warns you for that, but on this occasion it didn't. So just give that a go. If you find that useful, please leave a comment down below, and greatly appreciated. Thank you very much. Cheers, bye-bye.